Hello guys, we are back with another Leetcode challenge. Let's see the today's challenge, and the challenge is design Hashmap. This question is fall into the category of easy, but it's a highly like, so it's a must do question. This question is based on the designing an algorithm, so it's a must do question if you practice for the implementation based. So let's deep dive into the question. What actually question asks? So design a hash map without using any built-in hash table libraries. So what you are going to do, implement the my hash map class. My hash map initialize the object with an empty map, and there is a three functions. First member function is put. This takes two parameters, key and value, and you have to insert this key value pair into the hash map. If key already exists in this, then you are going to update the corresponding value to the key. So it's a first member function. Another member function is get, which is take the one parameter and return the value to which the specified key is mapped. If not mapped, in that case is going to return -1. So on last function, member function, it's a remove. What is going to do, it's actually remove the value from the corresponding key into the map. So that's the question. Let's little bit understand more with you using example one. So you have a given this my hash map and this input, and you have to return this corresponding answer to this input. So what I'm going to do, I'll just initialize an empty map by calling my hash map. After that, put 1 1. I put at key 1, put the value 1, and same as 2, I'll just put it into the key 2. I put the value 2 and get. I call get, and I'll just pass 1 into this get function. So what I get? So I'm going to get it. This is going to search this one, and after the corresponding value is this one, so I'll return this one. I'll call it 3 as a get. So 3 is not present into my hash map. In that case, it's going to return -1 because I am initialized on I'm put only two values. One is a 1, another one is 2. There is a 2 key exist, and no other key exists in that case. So I'm again put another value 2 to 1. In that case, at the key 2, it going to update 2 to 1. If I call it get function, I'm going to get it 1 in that case too. So that a basic about the question, and it's pretty much straightforward. So let's try to implement this question. So here I saw this key value is between the 10 power 6, so I can take the advantage of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a vector, uh, which v not a v, let's name it int has, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's say 5. This is the hash I created. I know this is my constructor, and whenever I create an object, that time this constructor is going to run. Whenever I create an instance of this my hashmap, so I take the advantage of that. So what I'm going to do, 1 2 3 4 5 and I plus plus. What actually going to do, I'll just initialize all the value to the -1, and after initializing, that's create my hash function or hash table. Now I'm going to take the advantage. Every uh, every key I'm going to put into the every corresponding key. I'll just put the values. That's pretty much straightforward. And into the get, what I'm going to do, I'll just return the corresponding value to the key by writing this. And if I want to remove, I'll what's my duty, I have actually do one thing. In the corresponding key, I'll just initialize -1. It's going to indicate that that key values is going to remove. So that's my code, guys. Let's run this code. Okay, I'll write it v, not a v, it's a hash. Sorry. Hmm. And it's accepted. Let's submit this code and see what will be the result. And the result in our favor. If you have any doubt in this code section, let me know in the comment section. I'll resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Until then, keep grinding, guys.